Hi everybody, my name is Michaela Lawyer. I'm in my fourth year of the Bachelor of Commerce program, concentrating in information systems. I come from a Métis background and I am the co-founder of the Sprott Indigenous Student Club.
Hello everyone, my name is Samuel McLeod. I am from Cree background and I am at the Bachelors of Commerce program, and I am the co-founder of the Sprott Indigenous Student Club.
The Sprott Indigenous Student Club is a new club that me and Samuel have created to introduce a new community to the Carleton world. We're hoping to, build relationships as well as help Indigenous students connect through casual and professional ways. We're really trying to make a safe and welcoming community for, Indigenous students to socialize and just motivate each other to really thrive in this Carleton atmosphere.
We really strive to get workshops, to get where to find information, resources, jobs, trying to help people, trying to give them that chance and opportunity to work with people, communicate and socialize and network with others to benefit their education and possible career.